fans, it's a featherweight matchup between the California Kid, Uriah Faber, and one of the greatest featherweights of all time, Jose Aldo. The Brazilian, Jose Aldo, was awarded the first UFC featherweight championship belt back in November of 2010. And Anderson the Spider Silva once said, if Jose Aldo was 185 pounds, I would retire.
Jose Aldo is one of the most explosive and dynamic fighters in the UFC. His leg kicks are second to none, and he has the ability to finish a fight in a fraction of a second.
Jose Aldo enters the octagon, ready to go to battle. He is the California Kid, Uriah Faber, one of the most beloved and popular mixed martial artists of all time. The former WEC featherweight champion defended his title a record 5 times. He has always competed at the highest level inside the octagon.
Uriah Faber is the epitome of the hard-nosed wrestler converted to elite mixed martial arts fighter. The former WEC champion is amongst the best in the world at 135 pounds.
I'm just trying to win. Got me a check and I'm just trying to spin. I did the train, so I'm just trying to bend. Back-to-back champion, winning again. I feel like taking a total.
Uriah Faber, ready to go toe-to-toe with Jose Aldo. Our tale of the tape for this featherweight showdown. Aldo is 29. Faber is 36. Aldo will have a 3-inch reach advantage. With the official introductions, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. The action begins. Our referee in charge of the octagon, Mario Yamasaki. And now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Live from the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. It's time! 5 rounds in the UFC featherweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a Muay Thai kickboxer and jiu-jitsu fighter, holding a professional record of 26 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds, fighting out of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, presenting the former UFC featherweight champion of the world, Jose Aldo Jr. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 33 wins, 9 losses. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds, fighting out of Sacramento, California, the California Kid, Uriah Faber!
All right, I gave instructions to you guys in the locker room. I want you guys to follow my orders at all times, defend yourself at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck.
Wow, I cannot wait for this fight to begin. Uriah Faber,
First round, you ready?
Jose Aldo.
Let's go,
And here we go. Tonight's main event is scheduled for 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Aldo, black trunks for Faber.
Uriah Faber is an extremely well-rounded fighter, has outstanding wrestling, very good submission techniques, especially with his guillotine choke, and has very good striking as well. Doing a good job timing his shots here and landing a great series of punches.
Oh, he completes the suplex,
man.
Faber gets into the north-south position. Half guard. He's got some space now. He's posturing up. He connects with an elbow to the body.
Showing some good defense here, trapping that arm. In half guard position. And he moves into side control. He's looking to take the back.
He's moved to his back now.
Excellent movement on the ground here, always trying to better his position.
Man, he's got the reversal.
And he establishes full mount. It looks like he's trying to set up an arm bar here. He's got the arm here. Now he's going to throw his leg over.
Almost had the arm bar. He's able to get back on his feet again. Trying to get the takedown. Huge slam.
Nice takedown.
Nasty elbow.
Beautiful body shot there, too.
Joe, that's an outstanding flying knee. Aldo with a big leg kick. Flying knee.
Powerful right hand.
How good is this? Oh, that's a damaging knee.
Hard left hand.
Combination.
Big knee. Powerful left hand.
He's got him in the crucifix. Faber's inside control again here. That's an outstanding throw. He's got the full mount, Joe.
Hip escape. Gets out of the full mount. He's in full guard. He's got his opponent pressed up against the cage. He's looking for a guillotine choke, Mike. Moves into half guard.
Nicely done. Faber gets it back into his guard.
Reverses into full mount.
He
Here's a
scores
hard
with a
shot
huge
with the
left. What a huge
Nailed him with the right hand.
Wow. Hit it all over. Uriah Faber.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
TKO victory. He was not intelligently defending himself. Nice victory.
Let's check out the action on our fight replay.
Let's take one more look at the end of the fight here. This is a vicious series of strikes, ground and pound, that lead up to the TKO. We could see it here from another look. These are clean shots that are getting in over and over again. Ground and pound for the TKO finish.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 15 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by TKO, the California Kid, Uriah Faber.
Uriah Faber, your winner by TKO.